Hello everybody, this is Charles the Intern back again for therocketnerd.com. As I've said before, please watch this video 1080p full screen, use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Alright, so for this video what we're going to do is go into the posts and I'll show you how to edit the slideshow. So let's get to it, I guess. So I'm going to go and log in. Every time, always just 2 steps, that's alright. Alright, let's go in there. And RN here. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to open up the website on another tab just so we can switch back and forth and look at the changes we do. Perfect. So obviously this is the slideshow right up here, so that's what we're going to be editing, and I'll also show you a bit about posts. So on your dashboard, once you log in, you'll see that posts are immediately right there on the left. So I'm just going to click on there, and there you go. As you can see, I have my 3 slides right there, and yeah, those are going to be my slideshows. You can see under categories that these are set to slideshow, and that's actually how you set a slideshow. So let's go into edit first. So I'll go slide 1, edit, and here's your screen. So as you can see, it looks a lot like the page editing screen, so I won't go over everything again. But what you're going to want to do is go over here under all categories. You have slideshow or uncategorized. So let's just not do slideshow. Let's unselect it and go update. There we go. So now if I go back here, you can see I have the whale, the nice beach, and the zip liner. So if I refresh the page now, we got the whale, the nice beach, but no zip liner. It goes back to the whale. So that's because that we removed slideshow from the post here. So let's just click slideshow again, uncheck uncategorized, and let's update again. So then if we refresh the page here, we got the whale, the nice beach, and right after this we'll have the zip liner again. There you go. So that's pretty much all there is to it for how you get an image to work with the slideshow. So let's go to a post, add a new one, and let's call this slide new. Why not? So this will be creating a slide essentially from scratch. So what I'm going to do, select slideshow, and then right here where it says featured image, that's actually going to be the image for the slide. I'm just going to select, and let's do the penguins. They're adorable. So let's set that as the featured image, and let's publish. Now the one thing I will warn you, your slideshow for this theme, if you did pick the liftoff theme, the slide should be 1140 by 400 pixels. If they're not, they might look a little funky, which might be the case right here. So if we refresh the page, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so as you can see, it cut off a bit of the penguins, but that's why you got to make sure your slides are in the right aspect. But it does show you how you can add a new slideshow. So at least you get the general idea of it. But make sure that your slides are 1140 by 400 or you'll get this awkwardness right there. The only other thing I'll show you about posts is if I go click on the posts, I'm just going to trash this slide. I guess you know what, we probably should go over trash. We may as well do that in this video. So if you go to the trash, you can see I have 2 right here. And I'm just going to select both of those, go to bulk action, and delete permanently, and I'm going to apply. Now this is the same for your pages as well. So if you go to your pages, accidentally, click on trash of one and you're like, oh crap, I deleted my page, you can actually go to the trash, much like on your computer, and you can restore it. So no harm, no foul. It won't go anywhere permanently. But let's go back to posts and do what we were supposed to do. So I'm going to hit add new. I'm going to call this new post. Let's just fix that. And we can go right here and type whatever. So new post. There we go. And let's just uncategorize it for now. You could always add a new category here. Now this is what you'd want to do if you were going to use a blog. So as you can see, we can go to view post here. And you can see that posts are a little bit different than pages are. So they have a date associated with it, a person who wrote it, and you can leave a comment. So this is much more if you wanted to do a blog. You would do posts. that's pretty much all there is to say about that. If you want to do a blog, use post. So I'm just going to go up here and go back to my dashboard. Go to a page. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to call this blog. Alright, now there's going to be nothing here, but I'm going to go over here to template. Now we haven't messed with this before, but templates do different things. And I'm going to go to blog. So if I publish that, and then view the page, as you can see, my new post appears here, as well as the rest of my posts. So every post you make will appear under your blog. And that's pretty much all there is to making a blog. So that's about it for making blogs, making posts, and editing your slideshow. I know we went over a lot there, especially with me going over the trash there, kind of impromptu, but hopefully that was all very valuable information. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. We're going to go over theme options in the next video, which is a little more, I wouldn't say advanced, but you can just change some stuff. It's not really advanced, it does use a visual editor, but after that video we're actually going to go into a couple advanced features. So that's going to be changing your theme and updating or editing your plugins or adding new plugins. So all that's coming up. I hope you guys are excited. I'm definitely excited, and I'll see you next time.